This is the far future. There is only war, and you just clicked on a video about it. Nice. Let's meet today's hungry space locusts. The Tyranids are not here to negotiate. They are not ancient. They are not noble. They are a biological apocalypse with one goal: consume everything. Planets, biomass, knowledge, culture, doesn't matter. If it breathes, grows, or exists, the Tyranids want it digested. They don't conquer. They strip galaxies bare and move on. No one knows where they came from. They are not native to the Milky Way. They showed up from deep intergalactic space, riding in on massive living ships called Hive fleets. And the second they arrived, the galaxy started screaming. Literally, their presence is so loud in the warp, it drowns out psychers. Think about that. They are so unnatural, even demons can't hear over them. Each Hive fleet is a self-evolving swarm, billions of organisms, all wired into one consciousness, the hive mind. Not a leader, not a god, just raw collective instinct, smarter than any general and hungrier than any chaos god. You don't outmaneuver it, you don't reason with it, you just run and hope you're not the next protein shake. Tyranids don't build, they grow. Every ship, weapon, and unit in the swarm is a living creature, genetically designed for a purpose. Some spit acid, some tunnel underground, some fly, some crawl, some detonate. All of them eat. When a hive fleet finds a planet, the process is brutally efficient. First come the spores and scouts, small organisms dropped into the atmosphere to test resistance. Then come the larger beasts, hormagaunts, termagants, carnifexes, wave after wave of evolving murder. Once the surface is overrun, the real fun begins. Massive living bioships descend from orbit and suck the planet dry. Oceans, forests, cities, people converted into raw biomass and pumped back into the fleet. Then they leave. And the planet? It's a husk. Just rock and regret. And they're learning. Every Tyranid bioform is disposable, but the hive mind never forgets. Lose a battle, adapt. Run into tanks, grow stronger armor. Face psychers, birth creatures that devour souls. It's evolution by genocide. Every fight makes the next one worse. They don't communicate. They don't stop. They don't even hate you. You are not an enemy. You are a resource. The Imperium has already lost entire sectors to them. Hive Fleet Behemoth, Kraken, Leviathan, Jormungandr. Each one worse than the last. Each one smarter, faster, hungrier. And every time the galaxy pushes one back, another one shows up with new tricks and more teeth. They are not attacking because they are angry. They are attacking because you exist, and that's enough. Some believe they are just scouts, that the real swarm, the one that devoured galaxies before this one, is still on the way. If that's true, then everything you've ever known is just an appetizer. There are no negotiations, no surrender, no survivors, just hunger, billions of mouths screaming silently through space. If you are lucky, you'll be the first to die. If you are not, you'll be the last thing your planet offers up before it's drained to bone dust. That's the Tyranids. Endless, mindless, and always hungry. If you want more galactic tragedies explained, hit the thing. Or don't. You'll be digested either way.